Hello friends, welcome to Newsmaster for today's top 10 news. And please visit our website www.newsmasters.in to get customized news for students and professionals. First news is India seeks to lure over 1000 US firms to relocate from China by offering incentives. India prioritizing medical equipment suppliers, food processing units, textile and auto part makers. Second news is HCL Tech reports 22.8% jump in net profit in quarter 4 as compared to the same period last year, and revenue was up by 16.3% in quarter 4. Third news is Swiggy co-founder Rahul Gemini moving away from his active role in May this year to join startup Pesto Tech. Rahul will continue to be Swiggy's board member. Fourth news is GSK GlaxoSmithKline sold a 5.7% stake in HUL for $3.35 billion as payment for the sale of the multi drink brand and other nutrition brands to Unilever. Fifth news is Andhra CM YS Jagan Mohan Reddy has announced 1 crore each to the families of Vishakhapatnam gas tragedy victims. He also announced an assistance of 10 lakh each for those who are on ventilators and 1 lakh to those requiring hospitalization. Sixth news is Yes Bank reports 2629 crore net profit in quarter 4 after extraordinary income as compared to the loss last year during the same period. The bank had extraordinary gain of 6297 crore. The bank reported loss if exclude these extraordinary items. So overall, the bank has net loss excluding the extraordinary gain it has in quarter 4. Seventh news is Unacademy, a Bengaluru based edtech startup, suffered a data breach. 2 crore users' accounts details put up for sale. But the co founder and CTO added that no financial data, location, or passwords were breached. Eighth news is SBI State Bank of India cuts lending rate by 15 bips across all tenors effective from May 10. It also launches new fixed deposit for senior citizens with a higher interest rate. It also cut fixed deposit rate by 20 basis points, but this is for a fixed deposit for more than 3 years. Ninth news is coronavirus likely to peak in India in June and July, according to AIMS Delhi director. All India Institute of Medical Science director said, according to modeling data and the way the cases in India are increasing. 10th and the last news is total coronavirus cases in India is more than 52,000 deaths, more than 1700 recovered, more than 15,000. Worldwide cases more than 37 lakh deaths, more than 2 lakh recovered, more than 12 lakh. Thanks for watching.